This tutorial is sponsored by StrapsCo. They kindly sent in this engineer-style bracelet which will be used in today's tutorial video. Hi, I'm Eve and I'm a watch enthusiast. I borrowed my brother's Apple Watch to demonstrate how to change an Apple Watch strap. I do it all the time with my traditional watches, and I just love how it makes it feel like a brand new watch. For those who own an Apple Watch, I want you to join in on the fun. So let's get into it. First, let's remove the old strap. Just press this little button right here and then slide out the strap. Super easy, right? While the strap is off, you may want to gently clean off the gunk buildup with a cotton swab, especially if you've been using it for a couple of months already. Next, take your new Apple Watch strap and then slide it in until you feel a click. Gently slide it back and forth just to make sure that it's secure. Oh, we're not yet done. After this, we have to size the bracelet. First, using a spring bar tool, remove this spring bar from the clasp. This is a split pin bracelet, so I can either remove the pins using this way or using this way. To put them back together, slide in the pin and then use a hammer to make sure it's all the way in. Make sure the split side is at the top. Once you're happy with the size, put them back together. It took some trial and error on the sizing, but I ended up removing a total of 5 links. Here's how it looks on my brother's wrist. So where to buy Apple Watch straps? Well, this is where our sponsor comes in. This engineer-style bracelet is from StrapsCo. They have a huge selection of straps for traditional watches and smartwatches. This engineer-style bracelet comes in 2 colors, silver and matte black. I chose the matte black in 44mm because I thought it would look better with this dark blue Apple Watch. It's listed at $64.99 US, but with the buy 2 get 1 free promo plus this 15% off promo code, you can get 3 straps for $110, which is about $37 per strap. I recommend buying together with 2 of your friends to make the most of this deal. So if you've decided that you want to get one for yourself, consider using my affiliate link in the description below. If you use my affiliate link, I get a little commission at no extra cost to you. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you'd like to get a more detailed look on how to adjust a metal bracelet, check out this video.